Hey guys, it's Snugs here, and I'm back at it again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be basically showing how to fix your camera and like the angle of when you play Rocket League, because the default one is pretty hard to play with, and like it's going to be harder to win. And I had trouble myself finding it, so I hope you guys look on this video. It'd be easier for you guys to fix it. So you keep your camera shake on, leave it there. You just look at the screen, and that's all the information you guys need to basically have a pretty decent camera quality. Not camera quality, just like the angles and just how it works. So just follow the vid, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope when you guys try it works out. Peace.